The cell, an interior coordinated working system. Most cell has three basic parts: a selectable permeable membrane called plasma membrane, a semi-fluid jelly-like substance called cytoplasm, a prominent nucleus organelles. In addition to the nucleus, cytoplasm contains several subcellular components called organelles. These organelles, such as mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, are visible in the cell with the help of electron microscope. Now, this is the structure of bacterial cell. This is the animal cell, and the last one is the plant cell. Observe carefully. In the bacterial cells, we do not have any well-defined nucleus. We have only nucleoid DNA. In the animal cell, we have well-defined nucleus, and in the plant cell also, we have well-defined nucleus. Prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Pro means primitive and karyo means nucleus. A bacterial cell lacks well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Organelles surrounded by their own membrane, such cells are called prokaryotic cells. In these cells, most activities takes place directly in the cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cells. Eu means true and kairo means nucleus. Plant and animal cells have a well-defined nucleus and several membrane-bound organelles. Such cells are called eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells carry out various life processes in different cell organelles independently at the same time. Cell structure in bacterial cell, plant cell, and animal cell. First is cell membrane. Cell membrane is present in all the three cells, that is bacteria, plant, and animal cell. Cell wall, it is present in the bacterial cell as well as in the plant cell, but it is absent in the animal cell. Cytoplasm, it is present in all the cells, that is bacteria, plant, and animal cell. Well-defined nucleus, genetic material closed by a membrane. It is absent in bacterial cell but present in plant and animal cell. Primitive nucleus, nucleoid, genetic material without membrane around it. It is present in the bacterial cell but absent in the plant and animal cell. Membrane-bound organelles, absent in bacterial cell but present in plant and animal cell. Comparison between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Characteristics. First characteristic is primitive nucleus. Second is diameter of a typical cell. Third is number of cells in an organism. Fourth is membrane-bound organelles. And fifth is membrane-bound nucleus. In the prokaryotic cells, primitive nucleus is present. Diameter is 1 to 10 mm. It is usually unicellular. Membrane-bound organelles and nucleus is absent. In the eukaryotic cells, primitive nucleus is absent. Diameter is 10 to 100 micrometer. Number of cells, it can be unicellular or it can be multicellular. Membrane-bound organelles and membrane-bound nucleus are present. Oids and prions are acellular, no cells. They are infectious agents that are too small to be seen under a light microscope. Viruses are composed of genetic material with protein coat. Viroids lack protein coat around its genetic material, and prions are misfolded proteins which lack genetic material. In eukaryotic cells, network of fine fibers form the cytoskeleton, which provide first structural support. It is a function of cytoskeleton. Second is maintain shell shape. Third is enable cell movement. And fourth is internal transport. It is visible only under an electron microscope as a separate entity. The cytoplasm may also store the starch, like in plant cells, a crystal calcium oxalate or silica, and also in some plant cells. These are known as cell inclusions.